Today, we're gonna try out a recipe I found online for pudding slime.
But can you eat it?
Well, we're not gonna just eat it when we're done, but you can take a little taste of it because it's safe if you had like a little brother or sister that was here, they could take a taste of it and it wouldn't hurt them. So everything in it is edible.
So we can try a little bit?
Yeah, we can. So I got 2 different puddings to try. You can either make lemon or chocolate fudge.
I think I want to make lemon. Me too.
Okay, you both can do lemon and then maybe later we'll try the chocolate one.
Okay.
So you each need a bowl and a spoon.
I'll take the bowl.
And then you each need a set of measuring cups. Okay, so our recipe calls for 1/4 a cup of pudding, 1 cup of cornstarch, and 1/3 a cup of warm water. So you have each of those kinds of cups. So to start, I want you to open up your cornstarch and fill the 1 cup with cornstarch. We don't pour it into the bowl yet.
Okay. Mine doesn't fit.
You use your spoon to get it out.
Oh. The big one. Do I pack it down in it?
Yeah, make sure it's full.
Making a mess.
It's okay.
Me too.
And then just put the cornstarch away for a while. That's good. Eden, can you open up the lemon pudding?
Yes. Is that a good amount, Mom?
Yes, that's great. Okay, so put that to the side. Put your lid back on it, Eli. Okay, and now, Eli, you need to find the 1/4 measuring cup. Look at the... So do we see here? There's one says a number there and one says here. Which one is 1/4? That one. So that's the one you're going to fill with pudding. Okay. So it's in that bag right there.
Yeah, but now you just a second.
It's okay. Let's set this on the table.
Cornstarch is so weird feeling.
It does feel funny, doesn't it? Good job, buddy. Is there more in there still?
Huh?
Okay. If you need to pour it in from the bag, you can too.
Very good.
Well, put a little bit more.
A little.
That's great. Okay. So now you need to pour your pudding, the pudding cup, into the mixing bowl.
Okay.
Okay. And I want you to pour in half of the cornstarch, just half of it for now.
You like my spoon?
You like your spoons? You to hold up the 1/3 cup, and I'm going to pour warm water for you.
Okay. Is it warm or hot?
It's warm.
But not like boiling.
Okay.
Pour it in. I see it turning yellow.
Really? Actually, we need this one. We need the 1/3.
I thought you said 1/4.
This time we need 1/3 cup water. Put it over here. Okay, pour it in.
So good.
And then take your spoon and start mixing. turn.
It wouldn't taste good either right now, would it?
Well, what it would taste like right now is what it's going to taste like later too.
It is?
Yeah. But keep mixing. It might be time to use your hands now.
May I eat some?
You can taste it. What do you think?
It's like eating fondant.
Oh yeah? Eli, do you like it? Okay.
It's on the roof of my mouth.
Is it stuck? Okay. No more eating, just mixing.
How does it taste like?
Fine. Your tongue's yellow though.
How about mine?
So now I have something for each of you that you can put it in. You can pretend that it's ice cream. So you get some ice cream bowls, ice cream cones, and a scoop. So you can put all of your lemon ice cream in there. Maybe a little bit, but it looks more like slime like that.
And this even, right?
So the more water that's in it, the more slimy it is, right? Less water, more like Play-Doh. Which way do you like it more, slime or Play-Doh?
Just pour it. It's really not hard to clean. I think I'm gonna add more water to the making. Maybe just a little. Maybe like just that. Look. I used a lot. decided that it kind of looks like ice cream. So we are now going to turn it into sundaes and ice cream cones and different things like that. Let's see what we can make. Did you guys have fun? Yes, a lot. A lot.
Yeah. Do you think it turned out like slime?
Yes, except for the white one, it was really, really crumbly.
But the chocolate, it's pretty good?
Yes, it turned out really creamy and nice.
Nice. Something we should do it again?
Very.
And that you'd recommend to your friends?
Yes. I think the white one would have been really good if we just added more pudding.
Okay. We can try that next time.
Yes.
What other flavors do you think we should try?
Maybe like a green.
Pistachio?
Uh-huh.
That'd be fun. Any others? Butterscotch?
Yeah.
That'd be fun.
Or like blueberry or something that's like blue.
Yep. That would be yummy. Okay. Glad you guys had fun.
Thanks.
Thanks.
Be sure to like and subscribe below to see all the fun that we're having at
Oh golly, what a day.